Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. It is Thursday. It is Thursday. Yes, it is. Thursday is the day of the giver vibration, the giver personality. Giving, helping, serving. Serving selflessly, selflessly serving. It's like self-serve spirituality. Some champa incense today. That's like heavy, sweet, and the day is heavy, sweet. The giver, heavy, sweet. When it's in the physical body, the giver, it governs the imbalance of heaviness. Brings a heavy feeling to the body. Affects the liver. Spiritual, like I said, it makes one a selfless server. An example of that was the great Jim Morrison. Jim Morrison, a karma yogi, selfless server. Here's what he had to say. I may have been in pieces, but I gave you the best of me. I may have been in pieces, but I gave you the best of me. Gave. I'll tell you this, no eternal reward will forgive us now for wasting the dawn. Back in those days, everything was simpler and more confused. One summer night, going to the pier, I ran into two young girls. The blonde one was called Freedom. The dark one, Enterprise. We talked and they told me this story. Now, listen to this. I'll tell you about Texas radio and the big beat. Soft, driven, slow and mad. Like some new language. Reaching your head with the cold, sudden fury of a divine messenger. Let me tell you about heartache and the loss of God. Let me tell you about heartache and the loss of God. Wandering in hopeless night. Out here in the perimeter there are no stars. Out here we is stoned, immaculate. Out here in the perimeter there are no stars. Out here we is stoned, immaculate. Go out and serve somebody today. Oh, like Bob Dylan said. Who is also a Thursday spiritual being, a karma yogi. He said, you gotta serve somebody. It may not be the devil, it may not be the Lord, but you're going to have to serve somebody. So go out and serve somebody today. Take advantage of this Giver Day. Do something for somebody else. Help them out. Support somebody. You can do it. And don't look for anything back. Don't look for a thank you. Don't look for recognition. It's a day just to go and serve.